Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the 400 Phoenix Virgin Australia Airbus A330-200. So I did get this model a while ago but never unboxed it, so I thought why not do an unboxing video on it. So you've probably already seen this model, but I will be getting a few more models next week. Because it's my birthday next week, so yeah. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing video. So we've got the front of the box, which is just a digital image of the plane. Got the Airbus logo, Virgin Australia logo, registration, which is Victor, Hector, X-ray, Foxtrot, Juliet, and yeah, the back's not much different. Yeah, we've just got barcode, few logos, and yeah. So we'll get this plane out of the box. I'll just put this down so you can. So we'll have a look in here. So we've got inside of the box, pretty normal. So we'll put this down here, right there. Alright, so I'll just adjust this. I'll zoom in a bit. That should be good. Alright, so at the front of the aircraft we have the cockpit windows, we have the person carrying the Australian flag, and the name of this aircraft, I'll actually have a look. This one doesn't actually say, or it does but it's too small to read. Anyway, so we'll get on to the rest of the aircraft. So yeah, we have the front left forward door. We have the landing gear, which does kind of roll as well. We've got the front windows, we've got Virgin Australia logo, we've got the front middle door, I believe. We've got the wings, these engines here, we've got the rear landing gear, obviously that help it butter, if you know what I mean. Not much else to say, we've just got the back door. Obviously registration Victor, Hector, X-ray, Foxtrot, Juliet, and yeah, we've got the vertical and horizontal stabilizers, the tail, and the Virgin logo. So very quick unboxing today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in another one. Bye for now.